its hearing on the issue of drugs and Pogo. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. So, Comsec, please coordinate with the Sergeant at Arms in order to escort.
Sir,
Oh,
I will continue with my interpellation.
yeah, Mayor Tumang, sandali lang po. I'm sorry, I'm a bit, pwede po bang, so, there's still questions that will be asked by Congresswoman Luistro. So, mari po bang umupo ho muna kayo, Mayor Tumang, nang sa ganun mapagpatuloy yung pagtatanong ni Congresswoman Luistro. Congresswoman Luistro, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair, Mayor Tumang, kailan po yung una kayong pinuntahan sa munisipyo ni Willie Ong at ni ADT Yang?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your Honor.
At least the approximate year, Mayor Tumang?
Hindi ko po maibigay, hindi ko po alam. Tignan ko po sa documents na sa pag-purchase po ng lupa.
You cannot give even the approximate year or at least your term? Yan po ba ay during your first term, second term, or third term? I think if you will make reference about your term in office, you'll be able to come up with an approximate year.
Probably po, siguro po second term.
And if it is second term, kailan po ba yung second term nyo? Is it 2019 or 2016? Mahirap po bang tandaan yung term?
Mga 2020 po, siguro.
2020. So,
I'm not sure po.
sometime in 2020. Mayor, ito pong pagpunta nyo sa Fujian, China, kung saan nakasama nyo si ADT Yang as shared to us by Chairman Paduano, kailan po ito? Is it during your first term
Di
or
ko na-
second term?
Siguro po first term.
First term. Paano po mangyayaring first term yon? Eh kung yung first time na pinuntahan kayo sa munisipyo is 2020, second term, ibig sabihin hindi nyo pa kilala.
Si Willie Ong po yung 2020.
Willie Ong first visited you in the Municipal Hall 2020.
Yes po, si AD Ang po yung kasama namin pumunta po ng China.
First term. So this is 2016 to 2019.
Siguro po 2018 ganun.
2018.
17 or 18.
When did you actually met for the first time ADT Yang? Kailan niyo po siya unang nakilala?
Approximately po siguro to 2018 or 2017 po ganun.
2017. Bago po kayo nagpunta ng Fujian, China, along with ADT Yang and the other Chinese nationals, where you executed a contract with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, ilang beses nyo na po na-meet at nakausap si ADT Yang?
Bago po pumunta po ng China,
Yes, Mayor.
marami na pong beses po, Your Honor.
Marami na pong beses. So, this goes to say na talagang you personally know ADT Yang? Ilang beses po? Approximate number, Mayor.
Hindi ko po maalala po.
The reason why I am asking this question, Mayor Tumang, because I find it strange na sasama kayo sa Fujian, China, along with the Chinese nationals, if you do not personally know and you do not personally trust ADT Yang. Gaano nyo po kakilala si ADT Yang para sumama kayo sa Fujian, China, where you executed a contract with Zhangzhou, with Mayor Wang of Zhangzhou, Fujian?
In-invite po kami, hindi lang po ako kasama po yung mga konsyal nun. Kasama pa po yung former Vice Mayor po, si Jonathan Pangan.
I understand, Mayor. Can you please enlighten us? What is this two countries twin park project all about?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Ano po itong two countries twin park project which you executed with the mayor of Zhangzhou, Fujian, when you were with ADT Yang?
Wala pong, hindi po makuha yung, wala po kami project na, nin-invite lang po kami doon, pinakita po yung waste to energy.
Ano po yon, Mayor?
In-invite po kami doon para pakita lang po yung waste to energy.
What was shown to you is a waste to energy
Yes po, Your Honor.
project.
Yes po, Your
But
Honor.
you belie having executed this two countries twin park project. Ganun po ba?
Wala po akong, in-invite po kami doon dahil gusto po nilang mag-invest ng waste to energy doon po sa Mexico. Kaya
Sa Mexico, Pampanga.
pinakita po sa amin yung waste to energy doon sa China po.
Okay. So, natuloy po ba itong waste to energy project sa Mexico, Pampanga?
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Natuloy po ba itong waste to energy
Hindi
project
po, Your
in
Honor.
Mexico, Pampanga?
Hindi po,
So,
Your Honor.
ibig sabihin po, yung pagkabisita nyo sa Fujian, China, it did not materialize to any project in Mexico, Pampanga? Is that what you wanted to say?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Wala pong nag-materialize. But since the reason why you visited Fujian, China is because of the invitation of ADT Yang, can you please enlighten us more? Ano ho ba yung sinasabi niyong maraming beses nyo na siyang na-meet at nakasama? Even before this trip to Zhangzhou, Fujian.
Nung pong nagtatanong silang mga binibili nilang lupa. Yun lang.
Like how many times were you able to meet with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na
Hindi
po
ko po
sila
ma-recall,
nakita?
Your Honor.
Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayang mag-elaborate po ng mga question niyo. Your Honor, masama na po yung pakiramdam ko.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not feeling well.
Okay, may we ask the House Doctor to please check on 1 minute suspension. Pakibigyan nyo nga ng tubig muna si Mayor. Do we have a nurse? Andito yung nurse kanina eh. Andyan na, no? Nakakain na po ba kayo, Mayor? Hearing is resumed. So in the meantime, habang nagpapahinga si former Mayor Tumang, we can proceed with the other resource persons. Congresswoman Jinkri, if you're ready, you can ask other resource persons.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
I wish to go back to the LRA. Have we checked the email?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you please enlighten the committee? Kailan po nag-umpisang mag-acquire illegally ng property ang Empire 999 owned by Chinese nationals Willie Ong and ADT Yang at Mexico, Pampanga?
It appears from our records, Your Honor, that the earliest title issued to Empire 999 was in 2016.
2016. And I believe that in 2016, the mayor is Mayor Tumang. And can you please enlighten us, ilan po ba ang nai-transfer na lupa sa Empire 999?
Based on the list that we submitted on the Dangerous Drugs Committee, Your Honor, There are actually 30 titles. in the
30